Cancelled orders, no new customers, losing existing customers, cash flow issues, high uncertainty, and so on. These are some phrases we have been hearing regularly since the epidemic. In this unprecedented period, access to reliable information is inevitable for survival. Bad business deals and investment decisions may have deadly consequences. But how to make well-informed decisions? Commodity Inside wants to support businesses and individuals in this critical time. We are offering a free online training workshop. This will enhance your analytical skills and equip you with basic research tools. What would you learn in this training workshop? If you are still watching this video, that means that you really want to explore these skills. Why not sign up for the free training workshop or even email us right away? We will be glad to help you.